Hello my friends, welcome to TubeU channel. I'm Henry. Today I'm going to show you how to use speed ramping. It can make your videos more attractive and engaging. The third and fourth methods are especially simple and powerful, so make sure to watch until the end. That way you won't miss the best way to use speed ramping. Let's get started. Speed ramping is basically changing the playback speed of a video. It uses a smooth speed curve. In the past, this kind of function was mainly available in After Effects or in other similar software. Honestly, it is very powerful, but it is not very beginner-friendly. But with recent updates, Adobe Premiere has also integrated this function. First, you need a good video clip to edit. Since speed ramping usually does not affect the audio in the same way, you can either delete the audio or just unlink it. Select the video, then right-click above the FX icon. Choose Time Ramping, then choose Speed. After that, use the pen tool at keyframes on the speed ramping curve. You may need to zoom in on the clip. This will make the adjustment easier. Now you can adjust the speed and the timing. You can also add some motion blur that can make it look more natural and professional. These adjustments can be time-consuming, and they need some practice. The third method is using CapCut. It is very easy and powerful. Select the video, then go to Speed. The standard submenu keeps the speed consistent, while the curve submenu lets you change the speed however you like. Yes, it can directly use speed ramping. It also has built-in presets. The speed ramping options are simple, as shown on the screen. You can choose none, that is, if you do not want to use speed ramping. The custom options lets you adjust the speed curve however you like. The montage option is already built in by default, and you can also modify it for better results. Together with the other built-in presets, this makes speed ramping adjustment very easy and powerful. In addition, the audio track can stay matched with the video adjustment. Of course, you can also unlink them if you want. CapCut even includes built-in velocity effects. This works especially well with background music. It can automatically sync with the beat of the music, and also match the speed ramp. It is an easier way to make videos more attractive. Most of these features require the Pro version of CapCut. However, you can create a compound clip, then process the compound clip. The temporary video file will be stored in this folder shown on the screen. I do not mean to violate the copyright of any application. This is only for emergency use or for study purpose. The fourth method is using Wondershare Filmora. It is also very easy to use and powerful. Right-click after selecting the video, then choose Speed and Speed Ramping. It will show a speed ramping curve similar to CapCut. You can select the preset you like and adjust the parameters as well. Another very useful feature here is the freeze function. That means you can pause the video during the speed ramping process. It is a very useful feature, and not only for speed ramping. These are the most commonly used methods for speed ramping. After Effects is more professional, and Premiere is somewhere in between After Effects and the next two tools. The third and the fourth methods, CapCut and Filmora, are the easiest to use for everyone from beginners to more advanced users. If you found these videos helpful, even just a little, please consider subscribing to my channel. Your support means everything to me. Thanks for watching.